Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how to create an Excel spreadsheet from OneDrive. So first what you want to do, you want to tap this plus icon over here, and then you'll see create an Excel spreadsheet. And in case you don't have the app, you'll have to download it, get the app, install, go back, and once again create an Excel spreadsheet, and then that's it. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.